Did you know that a seemingly ordinary mushroom on your dining table carries a story full of surprises? Step with me through this door, where modern technology, precision, and human hands come together to create a magical journey. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Our story begins with humble wood chips, small, simple, but foundational to this entire journey. Only selected types of wood, like rubber wood, acacia, or eucalyptus, make the cut. Each chip undergoes meticulous cleaning to remove impurities, as if preparing for a special mission. Here, you can hear the rhythmic hum of mixing machines blending wood chips with rice bran, cornmeal, and lime powder, carefully measured to perfection. Moisture levels are precisely adjusted to 60 to 65%, awakening these raw materials to their full potential. Each bag of spawn substrate is carefully packed into heat-resistant plastic bags. They resemble small containers brimming with potential. But wait, this is just the beginning. The careful selection of wood chips is not only about quality, but also sustainability. Each type is chosen to ensure environmental balance and compatibility with the growth of the fungi. The blending process, though mechanized, still relies on human expertise to ensure every batch meets stringent standards. It's a dance of technology and nature, laying the groundwork for the journey ahead. These substrate bags cannot move forward carrying any uninvited guests. Bacteria or pathogens must be entirely eliminated. This is where they enter the sterilization chamber, where steam at a scorching 121 degrees Celsius ensures complete purification. Imagine this, for 6 to 8 hours, these bags undergo a purification ritual, emerging completely sterile. Afterward, they cool down slowly in an isolated environment under the strict supervision of technicians. Only when every detail is verified and the bags are fully prepared are they allowed to move to the most critical stage, inoculation, the moment when life truly begins. The sterilization chamber isn't just about heat, it's a symbol of precision. The steam's penetration, the timing, and the cooling process are all meticulously calculated to ensure absolute cleanliness without compromising the substrate structure. The technicians monitor this process like guardians of a sacred ritual, ensuring the foundation for life remains untainted. This is where the magic happens, the inoculation lab. Silence reigns supreme here because every factor from temperature and humidity to air quality is tightly controlled. Automated drilling machines create tiny holes in the substrate bags, like small doors inviting mushroom spawn to enter. The spawn, grown in a meticulously clean environment, is inoculated into each bag with millimeter precision. This is the moment life begins to sprout. The substrate bags are no longer lifeless blocks. They become cocoons containing a vibrant, growing network of life. The inoculation process is a delicate balance of automation and human expertise. While machines ensure precision, technicians oversee every step to prevent contamination. The spawn itself is a marvel, developed through months of research to ensure robustness and rapid growth. Each bag is a carefully prepared cradle, holding the promise of flourishing life. Have you ever wondered what happens inside these substrate bags? In the spawn running room, they are neatly arranged on racks under soft lighting and absolute silence. At 25–28 degrees Celsius and 60 to 70% humidity, fungal mycelium begins to weave a hidden network inside each bag. Day by day, it spreads, covering the entire substrate block and forming a complete living system. This process takes 20 to 30 days, a waiting period where transformation happens out of sight. When the entire substrate block turns a uniform white, it signals a new chapter in the journey. This stage is almost meditative, as the room's controlled conditions mimic a natural ecosystem. Every day, technicians inspect the bags, ensuring optimal growth conditions and removing any anomalies. The mycelium spread is a testament to the synergy of preparation, environment, and care, an intricate dance of biology and technology. Step into the growing room, where you'll witness nature's grand performance. Under soft LED lighting and cool, humid conditions, mushroom fruiting bodies begin to emerge from the small holes in the substrate bags. In just 7 to 10 days, thousands of pristine white mushrooms sprout, transforming the entire space into a magical forest. But here's the remarkable part: each mushroom is nurtured with care. Harvesters gently cut each one by hand to preserve its perfect shape. The growing room is a spectacle of nature and science. Every mushroom is a product of precise conditions: light intensity, airflow, and humidity, all working in harmony. Harvesting becomes an art form, where skilled hands ensure each mushroom retains its natural beauty and nutritional value. The fresh mushrooms are now ready. They undergo meticulous sorting, with each mushroom selected with care and precision. Eco-friendly packaging, like paper boxes or recyclable plastic trays, not only protects the mushrooms, but also symbolizes a commitment to quality and food safety. Before leaving the factory, each batch undergoes a final inspection. And now, these mushrooms are ready to join you on your dining table, carrying with them a magical story from wood chips to a delicious meal. Packaging is not just about convenience, but about creating trust. The labels tell a story of transparency, showing the journey and care that went into every step. The final inspection is like a seal of honor, ensuring the mushrooms reach customers in their best form: fresh, safe, and full of life. Do you see now? Behind every mushroom lies an incredible journey. Each step reflects dedication, precision, and the wonders of modern technology. Thank you for exploring this magical story with us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us to discover more fascinating stories in our upcoming videos.